While projecting existing geometry into a sketch is a quick and easy way to create new sketch elements, you may want the copy geometry to be a bit different from the original. In situations like this, the break link option can be used to make the projected geometry independent from the original geometry, allowing for it to be modified. To demonstrate this break link command, I'll project the edge of the larger contact pad onto the top face of the threaded rod, and then break the link to increase the size of the rod's contact pad. I'll start by creating a new sketch on the top face of the threaded rod. Rotate the view a bit, and then project the circular geometry from the edge of the top contact face onto the sketch plane, and click OK. The projected geometry is automatically linked to the size of the original geometry. If I want to make any changes, I'll need to first break the link to the original geometry. This will allow me to make modifications to its size or shape as needed. To do this, I'll first click on the projected geometry, then right-click, and select the break link option. Notice that the sketch color switched from purple to blue. This indicates that the association between the sketch and the original geometry has been removed, and I can freely manipulate the geometry with a click and drag, or add a dimension. If you haven't worked with dimensions much at this point, don't worry, they are covered in a later sketching lesson. With the sketch set to the desired size, I'll quickly extrude it upward to create the contact pad. Don't worry about creating this 3D feature yet. The purpose here is simply to show how quickly you can create geometry using the break link tool. Now, I have two similar contact faces of different sizes that are independent from each other. This workflow of breaking the geometry link may seem trivial for a single circle, but as the projected geometry gets more complicated, it can be a huge time saver and speed up your modeling process.